Artificial intelligence goes for beginner by knowledge and information. In this video we are discussing about applications of computer vision. Computer vision is a field of study that involves enabling machines to interpret, process and analyze visual data from the real world. There are many applications of computer vision in various fields. Here are some of them. 1. Robotics. Computer vision is used in robots to enable them to see and understand their surroundings, allowing them to navigate and interact with their environment. 2. Security. Computer vision is used in security systems such as facial recognition and object detection to identify people or objects and detect potential threats. 3. Healthcare. Computer vision is used in medical imaging to analyze and interpret images for diagnostics and treatment planning. 4. Automotive industry. Computer vision is used in self-driving cars to identify objects and obstacles, enabling the vehicle to navigate and make decisions based on the visual data. 5. Agriculture. Computer vision is used in precision agriculture to analyze crop health and optimize crop yield. 6. Entertainment. Computer vision is used in gaming and virtual reality applications to track and interpret user movements, creating an immersive experience. 7. Retail. Computer vision is used in retail to analyze customer behavior and track inventory, allowing retailers to optimize their business operations. 8. Sports. Computer vision is used in sports to analyze player and team performance, enabling coaches and players to make data-driven decisions. 9. Art. Computer vision is used in creative applications such as art and design, allowing artists to use algorithms to generate unique patterns and designs. 10. Education. Computer vision is used in educational applications to create interactive learning environments and personalized learning experiences. 11. Environmental monitoring. Computer vision is used in environmental monitoring to analyze satellite imagery and detect changes in land use, deforestation, and other environmental indicators. 12. Manufacturing. Computer vision is used in manufacturing to automate quality control and detect defects in products during the production process. 13. Traffic management. Computer vision is used in traffic management systems to monitor traffic flow and detect accidents or congestion, allowing authorities to optimize traffic flow and respond to incidents quickly. 14. Augmented reality. Computer vision is used in augmented reality applications to recognize and track objects in real time, enabling the user to interact with the virtual content overlaid on the real world. 15. Navigation. Computer vision is used in navigation systems to recognize landmarks and track the user's location, providing directions and guidance. 16. Military. Computer vision is used in military applications to analyze satellite imagery, detect targets, and identify threats. 17. Law enforcement. Computer vision is used in law enforcement to analyze security camera footage, identify suspects, and track criminal activity. 18. Banking. Computer vision is used in banking applications for fraud detection and identity verification, enabling financial institutions to prevent fraudulent activities and protect customer data. 19. Document analysis. Computer vision is used in document analysis to recognize and extract text and data from images, enabling automated document processing and digitization. 20. Archaeology. Computer vision is used in archaeology to analyze images of artifacts and archaeological sites, enabling researchers to uncover hidden patterns and insights. 21. Social media. Computer vision is used in social media to recognize and tag faces in photos, allowing users to easily identify and interact with their friends and family. 22. Construction. Computer vision is used in construction to monitor progress and detect safety hazards, enabling project managers to optimize construction processes and ensure worker safety. 23. Space exploration. Computer vision is used in space exploration to analyze satellite imagery and detect geological formations and potential landing sites. 24. Energy. Computer vision is used in the energy sector to monitor power lines and detect faults, enabling utilities to optimize their maintenance processes and reduce downtime. 25. Advertising. Computer vision is used in advertising to analyze customer behavior and personalize ad content, enabling advertisers to optimize their campaigns and reach their target audience more effectively. 26. Fashion. Computer vision is used in fashion applications to analyze trends and recommend personalized outfits to customers. 27. Museums. Computer vision is used in museum exhibits to provide interactive and immersive experiences for visitors. 28. Wildlife conservation. Computer vision is used in wildlife conservation to monitor and track endangered species, enabling conservationists to protect and preserve wildlife habitats. 29. Food industry. Computer vision is used in the food industry to detect food quality and safety issues, enabling manufacturers to ensure that their products meet regulatory standards. 30. Aviation. Computer vision is used in aviation to analyze flight data and predict potential safety issues, enabling airlines to improve safety and reduce the risk of accidents. 31. Disaster management. Computer vision is used in disaster management to analyze satellite imagery and detect natural disasters, enabling authorities to respond quickly and effectively to emergencies. 32. Real estate. Computer vision is used in real estate to analyze property images and provide 3D virtual tours, enabling buyers and renters to view properties remotely. 33. Social sciences. Computer vision is used in social science research to analyze images and video data for studies in fields such as psychology, sociology, and anthropology. 34. Art conservation. Computer vision is used in art conservation to analyze and restore paintings and other artworks. 35. Music. Computer vision is used in music applications to analyze and classify music, enabling music streaming services to provide personalized recommendations to users. 36. Tourism. Computer vision is used in tourism to provide interactive and immersive experiences for travelers, such as virtual tours and augmented reality guides. 37. Human-computer interaction. Computer vision is used in human-computer interaction research to enable computers to interpret and respond to human gestures and expressions. 38. Financial services. Computer vision is used in financial services for tasks such as check recognition, invoice processing, and fraud detection, enabling financial institutions to automate and streamline their processes. 39. Medical imaging. Computer vision is used in medical imaging to analyze medical images and detect abnormalities, enabling doctors to make more accurate diagnoses and plan treatments. 40. Transportation. Computer vision is used in transportation for tasks such as traffic analysis, vehicle detection, and autonomous driving, enabling transportation companies to optimize their operations and improve safety. 41. Architecture. Computer vision is used in architecture for tasks such as building design, visualization, and inspection, enabling architects to create more efficient and sustainable buildings. 42. E-commerce. Computer vision is used in e-commerce for applications such as visual search, product recommendations, and augmented reality try-on, enabling retailers to provide more personalized and engaging shopping experiences. 43. Smart cities. Computer vision is used in smart cities for applications such as traffic management, waste management, and public safety, enabling cities to improve their sustainability and livability. 44. Forensics. Computer vision is used in forensics for tasks such as image and video analysis, facial recognition, and crime scene investigation, enabling law enforcement agencies to solve crimes more efficiently and accurately. 45. Gaming. Computer vision is used in gaming for tasks such as gesture recognition, player tracking, and facial animation, enabling game developers to create more immersive and interactive gaming experiences. 46. Weather forecasting. Computer vision is used in weather forecasting for tasks such as cloud classification, storm detection, and precipitation estimation, enabling meteorologists to improve their predictions and warnings. 47. Robotic surgery. Computer vision is used in robotic surgery for tasks such as navigation, image processing, and 3D reconstruction, enabling surgeons to perform minimally invasive procedures with high precision and safety. 48. Internet of Things, IoT. Computer vision is used in IoT for tasks such as object recognition, security monitoring, and anomaly detection, enabling smart devices to be more intelligent and responsive. 49. Law. Computer vision is used in law for tasks such as document analysis, legal research, and e-discovery, enabling lawyers to be more efficient and accurate. 50. Health monitoring. Computer vision is used in health monitoring for tasks such as posture analysis, fall detection, and remote patient monitoring, enabling healthcare providers to provide more personalized and effective care. In next video, we will discuss about object detection. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.